Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Grandma Chic country home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Grandma Chic country home decor, also known as Granny Chic, is a cozy, nostalgic interior style that blends vintage charm, cottage warmth, and country comfort with a playful, crowded feel. Each celebrates the aesthetics of a beloved grandmother's home, but with a fresh, intentional twist that balances sentimental details with modern sensibility. Key features of Grandma Chic country decor. First, vintage and heirloom touches with floral patterns, especially chintz or faded roses. Also use towels, embroidered linens, needlepoint pillows, china cabinet with collected teacups and dishes. Use gingham, tulle, and patchwork quilts. Next, mix of old and new, repurposed antique furniture with fresh paint or updated upholstery. Use layered decor with a mix of family, handmade downs, and flower market finds. Use soft muted color palettes. Think dusty rose, stress cream, cream, pale blue. Use country comfort aesthetic. Cozy, lived-in feel with overstuffed furniture, slipcovers, and shawls. Use natural materials like oat floors, wicker baskets, and linen curtains. Use farmhouse-style kitchen details like open shelving, vintage canisters, lace trim. Use whimsical and sentimental accents. Display of personal treasures like framed family photos or old recipe cards. Bookshelves with classic novels and cookbooks. Use floral wallpaper or wall decals that add patterns and softness. Cottagecore influence. Garden-inspired motifs. Use florals, birds, butterflies, and herbs. Use indoor plants in vintage pots or teacups, seasonal wreaths, and dried flower arrangements. Grandma Chic past traditional country chic past Cottagecore. First, Grandma Chic, defining vibe, sentimental, vintage, homey nostalgia. Core elements, mix of old and new, floral prints and heirlooms. Country style, defining vibe, rustic farmhouse, and simple rural comfort. Core elements, old accents, checks, galvanized decor. Cottagecore, defining vibe, nature-loving, dreamy, romantic escape. Core elements, botanical themes, soft textures, and vintage books. Why people love Grandma Chic country decor? Emotional warmth. It feels like coming home to a hug. Eco-conscious. Emphasize reuse, repurposing, and shifted charm. Uniquely personal. Every item tells a story. At its heart, Grandma Chic country is a celebration of nostalgia. It is about crafting a home that feels soft, lived in, and deeply personal. A cozy, the comforting essence of a grandmother's house, but through a modern intentional lens. It is cozy, cluttered on purpose, sentimental without being stuffy, and warm with a playful wing. Emotional and sensory qualities. Emotionality evokes childhood memories, vintage storybooks, and a time when things are made to last. Gives a sense of safety, timelessness, and homey joy, often layered with stories and sentiment, like a teacup collection passed down generations or embroidered linens made by hand. Sensory vibes. The scents of old books, dried lavender, and apple pie. The feel of textured lace, soft genola throws, and old oat floors. The sight of florals, finding wallpaper, and diamond treasures. Deep dive into design elements. Furniture is vintage, not modern. Carvy oak chairs, canny baked seats, and cloth tables. Owned and loved. Use deeply painted cabinets, past upholstery, freely slipcovers, mix and mismatched. Nothing is uniform, everything feels found, not bought. Textiles. Use floral prints in soft or faded colors. Handmade touches like embroidered napkins, crochet towels, and patchwork quilts. Use juffeled curtains, gingham tablecloths, and cozy afghans tapped on couches. Color shapes. Use dusty rose creams, faded greens, dark egg blue, and battery yellow. Accents of deeper jewel tones like maroon, navy, and olive, painted out in chalky pastels or classic white. Wall and display decor, botanical and bud prints, cross-stitched art, frame chalice, collections, plates, painters' clocks, recipe cards in shadow boxes. Wallpaper. Use floral, tall, subtle stripes, or small patterns for charm. Kitchen style. Farmhouse sink, open shelves with china, cast iron pans. Use messengers, window tins, flower sifters, spice racks. Use floral aprons, hanging from hooks, lace trimmed tea towels. Where people find Grandma Chic beaches, cheap stores, and estate sales. Antique malls and vintage markets, estate for handmade or upcycled vintage decor. DIY projects, chalk painting old furniture, decoupage trays, or turning old hangers into bunting. Styling tips for a Grandma Chic look. Layer, layer, layer. Use multiple textures and patterns, even if they are mismatched. Mix lace with floral cottons, velvet pillows with patchwork quilts. Don't be afraid of clutter. This is a lived-in, collected over time look. Display your favorite things. Stack books, hang collections, yet your personality shine. Balance it with freshness to avoid feeling dated or dusty. Mix in fresh flowers, greenery, and good lighting. Consider adding modern touches like brass hardware or clean lined shelves sparingly. Tell a story. Every room should feel like it has a story, whether it is your grandmother's sewing baskets, a 1950s cookbook, or a floral teapot. Who is this style perfect for? Romantics who love storytelling through design. Collectors who enjoy flower market treasure hunts. Comfort seekers who want a home that hugs them back. Eco-minded decorators who value reusing, repurposing, and solo decorating. Related aesthetics styles: Cottagecore, more nature, obsessed, whimsical, Shabby, more feminine and pastel heavy. Farmhouse, more rustic, industrial, and simple. English country, more refined, layered, and traditional. Where it comes from, history and influence. Grandma Chic is rooted in both country living traditions and a nostalgic appreciation for the aesthetics of the 20th century, especially the 1940s to the 1970s. It draws from post-war home comfort, uses florals, crochet, homemaking pride. English country cottages, rural American farmhouses, the charm of a grandmother's lovingly decorated home filled with collected items, mismatched furniture, and cozy textures. It was repopularized in the 2010 by Millennial and Gen Z, who began reclaiming vintage aesthetics, shifting, crafting, and embracing solo living. In reaction to the minimalism and fast-paced digital life. Core philosophy behind Grandma Chic: sentiment over perfection. Imperfect pieces are prized for their story. Layered life. The home evolves over time and reflects your history. Reuse, repurpose, reimagine. Old is beautiful, sustainable, and soulful. Home is a sensory, soft, warm, and deeply personal. Room by room styling guide. First, living room furniture. Use overstuffed chairs, floral or plain upholstery, and winter side tables. Decor, quartz framed embroidery, bookshelves with knickknacks. Note: a place with sit and stay. A file with a cup of tea and a cat. Dining room. Furniture. Use mismatched dining chairs, a vintage table with lace runner. Decor. China hut with collected dishes, old silverware, and crystal vases. Kitchen. Furniture. Freestanding cupboards, enamelware, wooden cutting boards. Decor. Messengers, apron on hooks, gingham curtains. Mud. Homemade pies, cozy clutter, and love cooked into every meal. Bedroom. Furniture, old iron or oak bed frame, antique dresser, vanity table. Decor, patchwork quilts, ruffled pillowcases, vintage perfume bottles. Mood, soft light, fresh linens, and afternoon naps. Bathroom, furniture, is painted storage shelves, floral soap dishes, decor, lace trimmed hand towels, old framed florals. Mood, a private retreat with lavender soap and a bit of MC. Modern twist on Grandma Chic. This is not just about recreating your grandma's house exactly. Today's take on Grandma Chic often includes modern lighting paired with antique furniture, fresh, bold, wild colors with traditional patterns. Gallery walls featuring vintage art and family photos. Minimalist backdrops layered with vintage personality. Why Grandma Chic is changing again, sustainability encourages reusing old items and shopping secondhand. Authenticity. It is anti-mass market and deeply personal. Comfort offers a sense of coziness and uncertain times. Creativity, mix and match styling gives room for self-expression. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.